48-volt battery is here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. It is very heavy, but there's also probably packing materials in here. It is nowhere near as heavy as the sealed lead acid batteries that I'm using for the 12-volt system. So I am excited for that. Thank you, lithium.
Beautiful.
Lots of packing materials. It's 48 volts. It said in the description 48 amp hours, but I'm sure they just are rounding up to 48 amp hours. This, I think, is the charger. Ta-da, charger. Right here. I need my knife again. It is very nicely secured, so that's a good thing. Oh, it comes with handy straps. That's nice. Wow. This thing is a bomb. Look at this thing. Negative wires for power and for charging, and positive wires for power and for charging. I will connect the charge to this one and this one, right? And then we'll just have this out of the port, you know, in the back. And then power, of course, is gonna go its merry way. And this is cool too. Probably shouldn't have done that. This is like a battery cutoff. So we could put this on the battery, and then when we are like, hey, you know what? Let's detach from the charger and from everything, and we just plunk, and then we can like keep it inside or something.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! I ordered a 48 volt, 48 amp hour lithium battery, and they sent me a 48 volt, 50 amp hour. I was not expecting a lithium iron phosphate. This is great. This is great. I am stoked about this. I'm feeling good. Okay, well, I'm going to read this operation manual because I'm a nerd. I kind of feel like they sent me the wrong one. But, like, that's a good thing because this is 50 amp hour. The other one was 48 amp hour.
True.
I got 2 amp hours for free! And it's lithium iron phosphate instead of just lithium ion. I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Well, I'm gonna do some reading, and I'm gonna do some measuring too, because I hope this fits inside that battery box we bought. This is my 12-volt system. It's got the fuses for the lights and the radio. But now that I'm installing this 48-volt battery, I can't run those things on 48 volts. So instead, I am going to use a buck converter. It will downgrade a 48 volt or 36 volt down to exactly 12 volts. And it will power all of this 12 volt stuff, even though I have a 48 volt battery. This was only like 20 bucks on Amazon. Super totally worth it. So this will make it so that I can run the 48 volt hub motor and all of these 12 volt components all on the same 48 volt battery. Hey guys, funny story. We got a flat tire. We're gonna spend some time taking this thing and patching it. So if you're not sure where your flat is or where the hole is on your flat tire, try and fill it up and listen, or you know, you can put it underwater to see bubbles. Mine is right here. So we're gonna patch it with this tube patching kit from Slime, and it has a rasp, it has contact cement, rubber cement, and some of these little patches. So we are going to do that. So I marked it with a Sharpie because when it's deflated it's a little harder to see, and then I went beyond the mark so you can see where it is even once it's rasped. So the next thing is we're going to lightly rasp it all over this whole area, well past where we need it. And then we will apply a patch. I got out this smaller patch, but I think we're probably going to need one of the larger ones. And so we'll apply the contact cement, and then we'll apply that larger patch. Okay, orange side down, and covering this entire area, just like that. Just make sure there's good pressure, especially on the outsides, it said. That contact cement has dried.